Hello guys, I'm the Mr. WebOps and today I'm going to be playing some Minecraft with my friend Jack. Say hello, Jack. Oh, I forgot you can't hear him. Right, so I'm going to have to find Jack first. Gonna find him first. Don't know where he might be. Let's say to the people. So I'm going to have a look where he could be. Oh. What? We've got no food? You must have... What are you doing in there, Jack? If you want to get out, get out. It's not that hard. Thanks for the cobblestone. Right, so what we're gonna do today, Jack? I don't know what we should do today. What should we do? Wait, today it's gonna be like just an intro of like what's my channel's done a show and stuff. So yeah, right. This is my house. Well, not mine. It's mine and Jack's house. Jack is, by the way, Chelsea 78. No wait, 879. Yeah, his name was Jack1188, but he got banned. So yeah. So this is our house. There's our library. Here's our library. Oh my god, what's wrong? Sensitivity. Wow. So here's our library. Why have I just walked into a wall? Here's my library. Nice blue roof. What's what? That's an enchantment table. By the way, Jack's new to Minecraft, so he doesn't really know much. This is our basement that we're gonna put like a jacuzzi in here and stuff. This sandstone is legit. It is legit. So like and favourite for that, for being legitness. We're in the desert, we're in the middle of nowhere. Built our house out of ores. It's our path that I made. And we sort of made a sign called welcome. And I made this, and Jack. So today we are gonna go and what should we do, Jack? Let's go on an adventure in a mine. I can't make this too long, Jack, cause it's like just an intro video. Shall I upload 2 today? Right, so this is the intro video, guys. So I'm the Mr. WebOps, and this is my channel of Minecraft. Bye.